I think what makes Voice of Tomorrow especially unique is this dual language.
The culture that's implemented in the classrooms.
We have curriculums and activities based in Somali.
Stories in our language, so kids get to see that. Kids get to see their pictures in the stories, their families in the stories we read.
Translated in Somali, having the teachers read it to them in Somali.
I mean, hearing a 1-, 2-year-old and 3-year-olds speaking Somali, that is amazing.
There's some kids that speak more fluently than other kids, so they get to practice, they get to help each other. So when you say "ana hashub amal" and the other kid does not understand, there's a kid that already understood it that gets up and helps the other kid. Like, okay, this is what the teacher means, right? So they learn from each other at the same time, learn from the teachers.
We have 2 specific days that we speak and teach Somali to the kids throughout the whole day. We're full-time, so 6 hours. We're just communicating with the kids.
So for parents, having Somali teacher is very beneficial for them because they're very comfortable with expressing themselves because they know they're going to be heard and what they say is going to be implemented into the classrooms.
We have something called a monthly call-in where we just call the parents to see is everything okay and is there any way we can help you.
There's over 100 staff working at Voice of Tomorrow around the clock, providing resources, accommodations, and services specifically designed, not just for the Somali community, but the East African community at large.
Well, we have a lot of African cultures represented into the classroom. It's not only Somali.
And they have multiple sites spread around King County.
At SPP site, we provide transportation on the bus. We pick up and drop off kids. We also provide menus that include the Somali culture food.
A lot of what ended up happening to those in my generation is something known as assimilation, right? Where we let go of our culture, accepting the dominant culture, and that's unfortunate. And as a person who does have a child myself, I would want him to be able to hold on to his heritage.
meeshan waxa waa meel ay Soomaalidu ku badan tahay, macallimiinta Soomaalida yihiin, ilmaha Soomaali u badan yihiin. So cunuga hadaa rabtiin inaad meeshan keentid meel dhaqankiisa lagu xushmeenayo, diintiisa lagu xushmeenayo, fadlan soo waca Schoolka Voice Tomorrow laha lambarka linkiga hoosna ku dhufta.
We are looking forward to hearing from you very soon.
Bye. See you tomorrow.